Hey everyone, it is our Christmas in July Tara's must-have. We have quite a few for you planned this month, and we are super excited about this. So what's a Tara's must-have? A Tara's must-have is an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty, it's practical, and it's purposeful. And this one is so stinking cute, I can't even stand it. Okay, we have never, ever in the 18 years that we have been sharing Temptations with all of you, ever done anything in a train set. My dad collected trains, the Lionel trains. We always set them up every Christmas, every year. We looked so forward to it. So this is a little bit of an homage to my dad, but of course we did it in Temptation style. We turned this beautiful train set into something pretty practical and purposeful. So come and check it out. It is 12 ounces, 3 different compartments of a beautiful way to display all of your hot dips, your cold dips. Can we just talk about Wimblie? He's in the driver's seat. All of these pieces are individually hand painted. All of these pieces actually detach from one another. So I have them lined up here as if it was a train that you would have, but you can use these pieces separately. You can use them together. Look at all of the hand painted detail. Look at the peppermints that we've turned into the wheels of this adorable train. Look at the middle section. Look at the caboose, the pops of the red, the pops of the green, some polka dots, some checkerboards. Every which way you're looking, you have that hand-painted, beautiful detail that you see right here. And take a peek at our servers. These are also included. Peppermint spreaders, stainless steel at the head, stoneware here up top, front and back. And the best part, they go right in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean them. Who's on the other side? Of course, we have our adorable snowman, Mr. Bojingles. And at the heart, at the beginning of the train, look how beautiful that gorgeous wreath is with the beautiful yellow ribbon. All of these pieces, all of these accents are individually hand painted. It took us 18 years to come up with a train. It better be this perfect. What if I told you it's $19.95? That's right, to get home 3 beautiful 12-ounce, what we call our ramekins, that when you put them together, they form a train. But look, you can use them all individually. You can use the engine separately, the caboose, so fun. And look at all, again, the detail. The fact that all of these pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees. Literally, you could put a spinach and artichoke dip in here and tuck it under your broiler. They go in the microwave when you want to reheat. They go in the fridge. They go in the freezer. And yes, all of these pieces go in the dishwasher. All right, so have I piqued your interest? Head on over to temptations.com. Super duper limited quantities. This is part of our Tara's must-have Christmas in July collection. And imagine being able to nestle it on top of your mantle. Our pieces, sure, are practical. They're purposeful, but they're also so stinking pretty. And the fact that this now can sit on your mantle, you can wrap some of your fairy lights around it. You can put some of your treats. We put some of our characters. Oh, stay tuned for all of them. They're coming up. But we tucked our characters inside here. You could put little ornaments inside here. You could put individually wrapped candies inside here if you wanted to. Nuts and dips and all of those different things. How beautiful does that look as you're using it? Oh, is that a little sneak peek at the end? It might be. Oh, stay tuned for those coming up. I'm just saying. I mean, those are so ridiculously cute, but the train app set is absolutely stunning. 3 beautiful hand-painted pieces of stoneware, and of course those matching spreaders in the beautiful peppermint detail. All right, so let's take a peek in our dining room. Follow me in there because I have to tell you, we set the most beautiful table where we nestled in all of these beautiful pieces, because at the end of the day, Temptations is not only a family of colors, but it's also a collection. So if you picked up our square dinnerware, this is absolutely beautiful because you can dress it up, or of course you can dress it down. There we nestled in a little centerpiece. There are those beautiful candy bowls. Look at how gorgeous this table is. Can we talk about this butter dish? Amazing! But let's get back to the star of the show. $19.95 for our train app set where we did our beautiful dips inside here. Love that we have hot dips, we can have cold dips. We put our champagne glasses out, we have our champagne bottle, we have a brand new cloche, stay tuned for that as well, and all the great fun of our holiday patterns, our iconic patterns that we only bring out this time of year, and then once they're gone, and you won't see these again until this time next year. This is why we are super excited as a Tara's must-have to debut not only the first train set ever, the first train app set with your spreaders, all individually hand painted for under $20. Check it out. Head on over to temp-tations.com. This will put a smile not only on your face, but on everybody's face that you want to gift it to.